In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Facebook not loading. Now if you head to your Facebook and it can't load images or videos, yet you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, simply get back and head to your phone settings. On the settings page, make sure to turn on this option of VPN. Now once turned on, get back to your Facebook. It will automatically reload and start working again. To activate the VPN option, simply head to your App Store or Play Store if you're using Android. Search for VPN. Choose any VPN app of your own choice. For my case, I am using this VPN called Proxy Unlimited. Make sure it's connected. The virtual private network is important for Facebook users in regions where the platform is blocked or censored, allowing them to bypass restrictions and access the site. If none of these work, Facebook's servers might be down, so checking a site like Down Detector can help determine if the issue is widespread. Well, that's how easy it is to fix your Facebook not loading. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.